You don't need to spend hundreds on AI tools. In this video, I'm revealing the best free AI tools that rival paid versions, and exactly when you should upgrade. Free AI tools have exploded in quality. ChatGPT free tier, Gemini, and Canva's AI features let creators and freelancers automate content creation without spending a dime. However, free versions come with limits, fewer requests daily, basic features, and limited storage. Understanding these constraints helps you choose the right tool for your workflow. ChatGPT free, Google's Gemini, and Copilot handle copywriting. Canva AI and Pixlr offer image generation. For video, try HeyGen's free credits. Notion AI writes outlines and summaries. For coding, GitHub Copilot free limit. These tools cover 80% of creator needs without any payment. Upgrade when free limits bottleneck your business. If you need unlimited API calls, priority support, advanced customization, or removing watermarks, paid plans make sense. Calculate ROI. Does the tool save you 5+ hours weekly? If yes, the subscription pays for itself through recovered time and increased productivity. Start free, test workflows, then upgrade strategically. Stack free tools, ChatGPT plus Canva, plus Notion covers most needs. Only pay for specialized tools once you've validated they directly impact revenue. This approach maximizes savings while scaling your creative output efficiently. Found this helpful? Like, subscribe for more AI tool breakdowns, and comment which free tool changed your workflow.